Hi everybody, it's me, Miss S. I was cleaning up my ABC Mini Pops and some of the tops came off. I can't remember which top goes on which pop. Can you help me? You can. You're great. Let's go. Here's our first picture. Do you know what this is a picture of? It's a horse. You're right. Do you know what letter the word horse starts with? Did you say H? You're right. The word horse starts with the letter H. Do you know which one of these is the letter H? You do. Is it the pink one, the orange one, the red one, or the purple one? Which one is the letter H? Did you say red? You're right. This is the letter H. And H says, like in the word horse. Do you know what this is a picture of? It's a jellyfish. Great job. Do you know what letter the word jellyfish starts with? Did you say J? You're right. Which one is the letter J? Is it the pink one, the orange one, or the purple one? Did you say purple? Let's see. You're right. This is the letter J. And J says J, like in the word jellyfish. Awesome job. We have 2 more. Can you keep helping me? Thanks, you're the best. Do you know what this is? You're right. This is a pineapple. What letter does the word pineapple start with? P. You're correct. Let's see which one of these is the letter P. Is it the pink one or the orange one? Did you say orange? Let's make sure. You're right. This is the letter P, and P says P, like in the word pineapple. Great job. We only have 1 pop and 1 top left. Let's make sure that they go together. Do you know what this is a picture of? A lamp. Great job. Do you know what letter the word lamp starts with? L. You're right. And the only one we have left is pink. Is this the letter L? It is, and L says, ooh, like in the word lamp. Thanks so much for helping me find the right tops for my pops. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos made just for you. Bye.